Well, here I am from Paddy's land, the land of high renown. I broke the hearts of all the girls from miles round Dublin town. And when they hear that I'm a ward, they raise a hullabaloo. When they hear about the handsome lad that they call O'Donoghue. For I'm the boy to please her, I'm the boy to tease her, I'm the boy can squeeze her, and I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll court her like an Irishman to be broken blarney too. As me amateur rolligan, swalligan, holligan, molligan, Bould O'Donoghue. Oh, I wish my love was a red, red rose grown on the garden wall. I need to be a dewdrop, and upon her brow I'd fall. Perhaps now she might think of me as a rather heavy dew. The more she looked that handsome lad that they call O'Donoghue. For I'm the boy to please her, I'm the boy to tease her, I'm the boy to squeeze her, and I'll tell you what I'll do. Well, I'll court her like an Irishman and me broken blarney too. As me amateur rolligan, swalligan, holligan, molligan, Bould O'Donoghue. I hear that Queen Victoria has a daughter fine and grand. Perhaps she'd take it into her head for to marry